Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser on Oracle Linux. First open pre-installed web browser, that is Firefox. Click on activities, go to Firefox, then go to Tor project.org. It is type of Tor project.org. Then click on download Tor Browser or click on download Tor Browser. Either is fine. Click on any one of them. Then select the download for Linux. See, download started and its size is 116 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, with this method we are going to use the latest Tor Browser version. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. cd downloads ls. See, here we have the zip file. We have to untar this file, unzip or unzip this file. -xvf, then give the tar, then give the tab, hit enter. It is done. ls, go to the Tor project, that is Tor Browser folder, ls. See, here we have the start tor-browser.desktop. So open it, sudo -./start, give the tab to autofill, hit enter. What is the password of sudo user? Sudo is not required. Tor Browser. So it is saying don't use the root account. So remove this sudo and hit enter. Wait a moment. See, we got the Tor Browser. Now click on connect. In meantime, go to one more directory of ls. Remove this zip file. So rm tor-browser give the Linux, hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, it is taking time. See, we got the Tor Browser. And default search engine for Tor Browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to set up or install Tor Browser latest version on Oracle Linux. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.